Hey friends, welcome back to my channel. I'm Caviar Kes. I hope you're all doing well. I'm doing amazing. I have a beautiful wig to install today. Let's just jump into it. Today's hair sponsor, once again, is CurlyMe. CurlyMe is my favorite when it comes to glueless wigs. They were the first ones to introduce me to that dome cap glueless wig. I feel like if this is your first time, you need to know that. They put me on to the dome cap glueless wig. I've been obsessed ever since. Today what I have installed is an 18-inch wear and go pre-plucked, pre-bleached, pre-cut glueless wig. This is in the dome cap style. This is the kinky curly texture. This is an M cap. I'm going to show you a little clip of what I mean by that. The curvature of the wig is made to fit your head and fit snug. Don't have any like bulging parts out on the top here around your crown. It fits snug. It looks like it's your hair. I love this new cap construction. CurlyMe wigs, I like to color the lace because it does give a little bit lighter. You can wear it like this, but let me just show you guys what it looks like and then we're gonna tint it. See? I personally like to go in and remove a little bit more of that lace. You don't have to, but I do. Okay, so fresh out of the box, I'm gonna show you what it's giving. Combed out, but we're gonna definitely put some water in her. This is what she's giving, combed out. Now, I am gonna secure her down. I'm gonna be using my lace melt spray. That hairline is just gorgeous, like beautiful, beautiful. Before we do that, let's clean up the part. Now I'm gonna use some water, spray everywhere. Basically, we just have to spray, saturate this wig like majorly. Okay, I think that's good enough. What we're gonna go in with is some of this Carol's Daughter curl, what is it? It is a curl enhancing moisture butter and it smells delightful. I'm gonna go in with a lot. Making sure to define the ends, y'all. I'm taking the product, squeezing it to the tips, and then I'm reapplying it somewhere else. Let it dry, and then we're gonna comb through it, and the curls are gonna look so pretty. Change my top so you guys can see the hair better. What do you think? Do you think it looks like that viral wig that's been populating our feed? For a closure wig, this is maximum lace space. It's giving frontal, and tell me that it's not. I'll wait. I enjoy wearing frontal wigs, but I don't enjoy installing it, and the process of removing the lace mostly around my ears and like temple area is free from lace. I love that. It comes ready to wear. I didn't bleach the knots or anything. This is just how it comes. And again, I love how it feels. I love how it smells. The density is where it's at. I think every black woman should own a wig like this. Those days where you just want to give natural, this wig is for that. It's beautiful. 10 out of 10. CurlyMe did it again. Like from the packaging to the quality of the wig, the presentation of the wig, they've thought of it all, and it leaves me just highly impressed. Let me know what you guys think of the install. I'm gonna show you the back real quick in case you're wondering. Is the back giving? I feel like it's giving. I know it's giving. What do you mean feel like? I know it's giving. If you guys want to purchase this wig, I'm gonna link it in the description box for you. If there's a discount code, use the links to save some coins, because who doesn't love that? And hit the thumbs up button on your way out and leave a comment. Bye!